I don't want to repeat it again and again. And first of all, I would ask you to apologize that why I'm sitting and talking over to you over the phone, over the mic, because I have some disability, physical disability. தயவுசெய்து என்ன நீங்கள்லாம் மன்னிக்கணும். எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் என்னுடைய ரெண்டாம் காலில் கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குது. நான் ஏஞ்சி நின்று பேசுகிறதுக்காக எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குது. நீங்கள் என்னை மன்னிக்க வேண்டியதுன்னு எஸ்பெஷலி என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட ஜேர்னலிஸ்ட்டு அவங்க எல்லாரையும் நான் ரிக்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறேன். மெயின்லி ஐஹெச்ஆர் என்ன ஹியூமன் ரைட்ஸ் எல்லாம் in many states the human rights means it is a party going to fight for the right of gender. Actually it is not. Many states are ignoring in India human rights. They are trying to avoid the human rights associations, and I am very happy in between one of our police officers could dare Ray. I have seen him talking to all of us, stating that what are the powers and powers of ours. Like that, many police people should come forward. Many judges should come forward, because today we see the status of our condition, how poor we are. I would like to mainly subject on the hospitals, mainly corporate hospitals. Next to me, professor is there, Dr. C.M. Gerigar is there. He is having at least 50,000 doctors around him, but he should not feel hurt. But especially I have selected him. Sir, you should do this work, because we are even paying the money to bring out a dead body from the hospital of our own kin and kin. We should not forget this. I will not leave this issue. I am going to take this issue as a very serious. Look at the roads, how bad it is. I feel pity how the roads are bad. Many people have lost their lives, and still we are never bothered about it. Look at the hospitals, government hospital, what kind of treatment, what kind of buildings. We are going to fight for that. What are the grants? We know, but still we are all just keeping our lips tight, because we don't have capacity to fight. I don't say human right is not that. Human right is in a very decent organization with a discipline and demarcation. And today, I will come out with this certain things. We are going to make it, and I am going to play an important role. That human right will start a awareness program in everywhere. Why we instituted this awards program in Tamil Nadu means, especially Tamil Nadu, many people are afraid to become our human rights key position takers because of the government policies. I request all the journalists, they should particularly come out with the special issues about the human rights instead of going for big advertisements. As a human, you know what it is. Kindly make a note that you come with a special page for the human rights, so that you can get a good mileage in the coming days. That is the reason. For the past 1 year I am working on this awards, to whom to give, and whole of our team is working. Many have decided the award should be given to whom. The award function again, we are going to keep it in Chennai only. We will declare the dates. Meanwhile, first time these kind of awards, first of its kind, we are declaring. Kindly all the media, I request from today onwards, keep your hand on your heart and change yourself. See that the RTI which we are going to give it to you, kindly publish in the coming days, so that awareness can become a very important, play an important role. Because I know I am also from the journalist family. I know what is journalism and what kind of journalism can be used where and when. I request all my brothers to help us out in this and be with us in this endeavor. And I don't want to take much of the time, because everybody has spoken very detailed about it, and my chairman also said why he started. And now I say that I am going to work it on important things, corporate hospitals and schools, because many poor people can't get the admissions in the schools. I am going to condemn that also. And many people can't get the admissions in the colleges. That also we are trying to work it out now. And many people can't reach up to the government offices to get their own things to be done. So these kind of things I am going to cover very strongly, and I have created a good team with us, and lots of people are with us, like people who are with us, the dignitaries who are with me. We are working hard, and in coming days we will prove that Human Rights Association, International Human Rights Association, because we have lots of all kinds of certifications we have with us. Our chairman has done a lot of work, and I appreciate. And the only thing he is lacking is in English language, but his ideas are more than a Prime Minister or President of India's idea. And recently, I met President of India. I gave this idea to President of India, or Honorable President of India. He was very happy. Then he said immediately to implement the unorganized labor. I am worried about them. For those unorganized 12 billion labor, we are worried. We are working out for them, and we will come out shortly with a good results for them in the coming days. And India will have a bright future, provided the people who realize and help us with the human rights. Thank you very much.